People keep asking me this question: what is the fastest way to earn money online? And today I want to answer this honestly, not to sell you anything, any hype, not to deceive you, but to tell you the truth from experience. If you are looking for a fastest or fast money online, this video might surprise you, but it will surely help you. The truth is this: the fastest way to earn money online is not any platform, it's not any app, it's not a secret website. The fastest way to make money online is by solving a problem with a skill. Many people want fast money, yes, but they don't want to learn. And online income rewards value. Online income does not appreciate desperation. The moment you can do something useful, be it talk, teach, sell, promote, create, or manage, money will start flowing to you. So there are basically three categories of income on the internet. The first is the instant one, but it's very risky income. This includes gambling, revenge playing, hype app, and different shortcuts like CBase and all those things that they will tell you tap here and here. You may win today and you will lose everything tomorrow. This is fast, but it's not sustainable, and most people lose money by the end of the day. The second is platform-based income like PoppoLive, live streaming, YouTube, TikTok, freelancing, different platforms, different social media apps. These can pay well, but they require patience, they require consistency, and you have to keep to rules. People fail here because they rush, they break rules, and they expect overnight success. You need patience. The third category of online income is the most reliable one, which is skill-based income. This skill-based income can be something like content creation, live streaming, digital marketing, learning, sales, customer support, editing, writing, or teaching. In this category, one skill can pay you for years. So if you are asking for the fastest way to earn money online, here is the honest answer: learn one skill, start small, stay consistent, and control your emotion. Fast money without discipline will leave you broke. Slow money with consistency will make you free. Faith is important. It's important you have a strategy. It is necessary for you to pray, to plan, to learn, and act wisely. For if you want quick wins in this year 2026, you need to start where you are, use what you have, and grow gradually. Don't chase speed, chase sustainability. So if this video has helped you in any way, please like it, subscribe, and share it with someone who keep asking you about fast money online. And comment below, what online skill are you interested in learning this year, so that I can make a practical detailed video about it. My name is IJAPARI Gang, and on this channel we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. Hope to see you in my next video. In the description of this video, I'm going to drop links to different ways you can earn money online and all that. So bye.